Now, if you want to look at contesting a will, or contested probate as it's sometimes called, there are many ways in which the team at Barrett & Co. can advise you in this very specialised area. Now, if you have any of these particular situations, it may be worth having a call with Justin Sadler or Hilary Buckle at Barrett & Co. The first example would be where the deceased has not made sufficient provision for you in their will, or the intestacy rules, whether will is invalid or doesn't exist, so that it do not provide sufficiently for you. Now, this could be because of a change in your circumstances or in your financial dependence on the deceased. Now, the deceased, secondly, may have made promises to you when they are still alive which haven't been kept in the will, particularly with regard to this disposal of the estate. You also may be able to contest a will because the deceased maybe not have the mental capacity to actually make a will. So if you believe the deceased didn't have the mental capacity to make a will, you may be able to contest probate. Now, also, there could be the case where someone has coerced the deceased into making a will, and this may happen particularly with elderly members of a family. You may also find the will was not signed properly or is otherwise technically invalid. There could also be a factual error in the will, which indicates a claim for amending the will or the trust. Now, in many cases, the original will could actually have been lost, and this could lead to a claim for contested probate. There may also be disputes over the identification of the beneficiaries. Another reason could be breaches of trust or the need to remove or substitute executors, personal representatives, or trustees who are failing to act appropriately. Disputes can also relate to trusts and charities or statutory wills, and there can also be professional negligence claims relating to trusts and estates. So wills can be contested. There can be such a thing as contested probate. If you have any of these particular things which may be concerning you and you want to contest a will, then the best thing you can do is get advice from a qualified and specialised solicitor. So if they're a member of ACTAPS, which is the Association of Contested Probate, then they are usually very good experts in this field of law. Now, Justin Barrett and Hilary Buckle at Barrett & Co. are your two experts, and for just £95 you can come along for an hour consultation to see if there is a reason for you to contest your will and receive the inheritance you believe is due to you. So please get in touch with Justin Barrett or Hilary Buckle at Barrett & Co.